Before starting the video, this is the request to you all that please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon, click on all to get all my notifications whenever I upload video. And today we are going to make masoor dal tahari. So let us start. So the ingredients required for our recipe is 250 gram of rice, 100 gram of whole masoor dal, 50 ml of curd, 50 ml of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half lemon, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 pod of garlic and a small piece of ginger, 2 big sized onion finely chopped, 1 bowl of coriander leaves, and the whole spices include 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half inch or a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves and 2 to 3 cardamom. So these are all the ingredients required. Also 400 ml of water. So let us start the recipe. So starting with our recipe, for that take a bowl and add 250 grams of rice in it. And then add water and soak it for about 15 to 30 minutes. Similarly, soak the whole masoor dal also. Add the water and soak it for 15 to 30 minutes. And now we are going to make the paste of green chili, ginger and garlic. So add 3 to 4 green chili, 1 pod of garlic and a small piece of ginger and grind it. Do not add water while grinding. So I have grinded it. Now we are going to proceed with our recipe. For that, take a pressure cooker and heat 50 ml of cooking oil. And then once the oil is heated, add the whole spices, which include 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 cardamom, clove, half inch of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Add all these ingredients into the oil and then add the paste which we made out of green chili, garlic and ginger. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. Onions, 2 big sized finely chopped onions, and then mix all the ingredients together and then add soaked masoor dal, 100 grams of soaked masoor dal, whole masoor dal, and then combine all the ingredients well together and then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt according to your taste, and then mix all the ingredients. Of curd. Also add half lemon juice and then mix the ingredients together. Add a bowl full of coriander leaves close the lid of the pressure cooker upside down for 3 to 4 minutes. Upside down. And after 3 to 4 minutes, just mix all the ingredients well together. And then add 400 ml of water in it. And then mix all the ingredients well together. And if needed, then add salt according to your taste, little bit. And let a slight boil come and then add your soaked 250 gram of rice. And then mix the ingredients once. And then sprinkle it with some coriander leaves. And let a slight boil come and then close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook it until one whistle. Until one whistle. And after one whistle, our masoor dal tahari is ready. Now just mix it slightly and then serve it in the serving bowl. And our tasty and delicious masoor dal tahari is ready to serve.